Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this question, we are having a right angle triangle. This is right angle. A is the right angle triangle in which CB is a diagonal which is of 80 units. Okay, and is divided into four equal parts. CP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. It means each part is of 20 meter. Okay, now this is the point joint. This midpoint P AP is equal to A. BP AQ is equal to B and AR is equal to 6 centimeters given to us. We have to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. Nothing else is given to us. Only this diagonal is given to us. We can do it in this way. Let us drop the perpendicular from this C point on this AB. This will be a right angle triangle. Let us suppose this point is R dash. So we are having a triangle in this form. This is point A, this length is C, this is R and this is R dash. And let us suppose this whole length is, because this diagonal is divided into four equal parts, and we drop the perpendicular from the point on the diagonal on both, on base as well as an perpendicular, then the perpendicular and base both will be divided into four equal parts. It means, let us suppose if total length, this is 4 times y, it means this portion will be equal to y. Similarly, if this total length of the perpendicular is 4 times x, this portion will be y and this portion will be x. Okay? This portion will be x. This is the fourth part of the total length. And this is the fourth part of the total length. And this is already being given to us. This is 20. Okay, from here we can say that x square plus y square is equal to 20 square. That is 400. This is notable. Except this, the c square in this triangle, r dash, c square will be equal to x square into 3 times y. This portion will remain 3 times y. Okay. First equation. Second equation we are obtaining from the same triangle is c square is equal to x square plus 3 times y whole square. Okay, correct. Now again we are dropping the perpendicular from here. Q on AB. Let us suppose this is Q dash. And this is the midpoint, so that this will also be the midpoint. So that this distance will be just half of this 3. That will be in this way. Q dash, and this is A point. This is B. A, Q dash. This will be the middle point of the perpendicular and also the middle point of the base. That is 2y and this is 2x. Or we can say third equation will be equal to b square will be equal to 2y square plus 2x square. Third equation, that will be b square will be 2 times x square plus 2 times y square. Okay. Now, another one. We are going to drop again perpendicular from point P, that is P dash, and that is, this will be the only first part. This is single, this will be y and this will be 3 times x. So in this triangle we can say a square, this is a square will be equal to 3 times x square plus single y. In the similar way, fourth time equation, a square, this will be equal to a square will be equal to this side, t times x square plus y square. Now this is the fourth equation. Going to rub this is of no use. Now these are the four equations out of which in which the second, third, fourth, if we add, then we'll get the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Adding second, third and fourth, what we'll get this a c square plus b square plus a square. This will be equal to addition of these two, x square plus 3 times y square plus 2 times x square plus 2y square plus 3 times x whole square plus y square. This is equal to 3, this is 2 to the 4 and 3. Net, it will be equal to 4 and 9, 13 and 1, 14. 14x square plus 14y square is equal to, this can be written as 14 times x square plus y square, and x square y square is equal to what? 400. So it will be 14 into 400. 56. This is the answer. A square plus b square plus c square will be 56 into square. This is the answer of the question. This is very easy. It is simply, we have to remember whenever the perpendicular drop, it is because these are diagonals is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part will be equal to 20, 20, 20, and if we drop the perpendicular, this base as well as perpendicular, this will be divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Remain continuation watching my video. I will in next video will present you another exacting video. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.